Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this video is basically for the people who say like you bought a brand new tire, and within 6 months or less, 6 months or less, and you notice that your tire is wearing and they start making a lot of noise. You don't even have to like basically drive fast. You drive slow and you're just hearing your tires. It's just making some unnecessary noises. Uh First of all, let's get into it. As you can see right here, I have this tire, this full tire right here. I'm in the garage, of course, in my garage. So I don't know if you guys are gonna able to see it on camera. So basically, this tire is no good. It's good to I could still install it, put it on my car as a spare if I don't have nothing better, but I'm gonna start hearing some noises. The reason why I'm gonna start hearing some noise from this tire, and this is a good brand tire. This is actually Bridgestone Serenity Plus. I know you guys can't even see the name, whatever, but this is the Serenity Turanza. Oh, what's up with my camera? Didn't want to focus. What's going on? Ugh. But yeah, this is the Turanza Serenity Plus tire. Now the reason why I said you're gonna hear a bunch of noise is because my shocks wasn't no good, and the struts, supposed to prevent extreme tire movement, and it's supposed to damp, the tire so it don't have excess movement, especially when it's, you hit a bump or whatever. This tire right here, it ended up getting this cupping. I know you guys can't even see it, but it have like a dent right here at the end. I know you guys probably can't even see it properly on camera, but it is not a full circle tire. Hope you guys can see it. It's not a full circle tire. It got damaged because my shocks is no good. So basically, I'm driving and I'm gonna hear a lot of noise coming from the tires. I can't even blame it on the road. It's not no road noise, it's tire noise. And as you can see, this tire is pretty heavy enough tread that could give me maybe about a year. It depends on my driving style. I don't drive like a maniac, so this tire probably could give me a good year. A year left, a good amount of miles. But the more I drive on it, it's gonna get noisy because it's already got damaged by a bad shock, and the shock is no good. The damping, and it's gonna cause cupping on the tire. So it's basically gonna just damage the tire, because the tire is not gonna be a full circle. So anybody who have any car, but especially I notice it on the Avalons, because it could cause on any car. Once your shocks is bad to a certain extent, because mine wasn't even that bad as a certain extent. It was bad, yeah, regardless. Bad is bad, but some people, like especially in the rear, you notice it'll drop. You'll have a drop. If you try to push down it'll stay down. That's when the shock is totally gone. But mine's wasn't that wasn't the issue. Mine's wasn't really noticeable unless maybe if I get it checked. If you actually check it, you'll notice it. But I noticed, like, I bought the tire brand new, and like within maybe about 6 months in, I noticed that my tires, 6 months to a year, I'm gonna say 6 months to a year, my tires just start making noise. And I was like, yo, this is not normal. Why my tires? And then when I take them off, and then I try to roll it or try to have it stand up. I had one of them that was so bad that it wasn't even standing up straight like this. It wasn't like, it was so bad it keep leaning on one side. It was like real bad uneven wear, and the cupping was bad because you could actually see the dent. You could see like a slope in the tire. So guys, if you having that issue, if you guys having that issue, just know that it's your shock, your struts. Just replace the whole assembly. Don't even, replace the whole thing. Replace your whole shock. That's what caused the cupping and that noise when you drive. Your tires start making that noise. You know it's your tire. Now, if you hear some extreme noise while you drive, it could be your bearing. You hitting about 40 miles per hour or even less, and you're hearing a bunch of noise while you drive. That's your wheel bearing making that noise. But as for this situation right here, is the tire, is the cupping noise. It caused by a bad shock in my situation. So for me, I have to basically replace 2 shock that's in the rear, left and right. I gotta get that shock replaced, because if I don't, I'm gonna end up having the same issue. Right now you're not really hearing no noise right now, but I know later down the line it's gonna only get worse and the tires is gonna start making noise. But this is the whole, wanna bring this to you guys in this video. I know my camera don't want to focus. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, this one is not too bad. The other tire that I had took off, it couldn't even stand up. It couldn't even stand up, and the rim was on there and it didn't even want to stand up. So I know that it was that bad. The wear was so bad. You could actually see the cupping, the dip in the tire where the slope is. You guys probably can't even see it on camera. I really apologize. I really wanted to show you guys on camera, but my camera don't even want to focus. But I could look at it right here and tell, like, the tire, how it have this dip, that slope right there. You guys probably can't even see it. Can't even tell, huh? Can't really tell, but I could see it from here. Like, see how the tire got that cupping. I guess the damp when it drops, hitting a little bump or whatever, because there's no support. Nothing supporting for the damping. It just messed the tire up. But this is the information that I want to share with you guys. If you guys going through this issue, you notice that you'll buy 4 sets of tires and you install them in 6 months to a year. They wore out really fast, and then you start hearing a bunch of noise from the tires. Don't blame it on the tires. Blame it on you need to replace the shock. Get the shock replaced, guys. That's what causing the tire to having that noise after a certain wear, because the shock is not doing the job. So you have extreme cupping in the tire. It will just damage the tire. There's no coming back from the tire. And as you guys can see, this tire could give me, as I said, maybe about another 6 months, could be less. It could give me, but I'm gonna hear a bunch of noise. I know my camera don't want to focus. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna end up getting a bunch of noise, and you don't want that. You're driving and you're hearing a bunch of noise coming from the tire. But this is all I want to share with you guys. I hope this video will help you guys if you're going through this issue. You know, if you can't check it yourself, take your vehicle to a shop and let them check your shock to see if you need a new shock replacement. But most of the time, that cupping in that tire, you see a tire look weird, or it can't even stand up straight. You know, it's just keep dropping on one side, keep falling. Just know that that cupping, that dip in the tire is caused by a bad shock. So just get that shock replaced. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. If this video help you out, hey, if you're willing to donate, I have my PayPal information in the description. Click on that link, it takes you straight to my PayPal, and you could donate whatever amount you want to donate. I really appreciate it. It really help out my channel, you know, help my channel to grow. But peace, take care, and I'm out.